Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the missing language bar on your Windows 11 computer. And now, let's get started. If you find yourself unable to see the language icon on your taskbar, which is essential for switching between different languages, there are a couple of straightforward solutions. First, we will adjust some settings related to the language bar. Begin by opening the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Settings and then click to open the Settings window. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Time and Language. Within this section, select Typing, and then choose Advanced Keyboard Settings. This will reveal the language bar options. Here, you will want to check the box next to Floating on Desktop, and also ensure that Show Additional Language Bar Icons in the taskbar is selected. Additionally, you can check the option to show text labels on the language bar. After making these selections, click Apply, and then OK. Once these changes are applied, return to your taskbar. You should now be able to see the language icon. If the language icon is still not appearing after these initial steps, do not worry, we will try another approach. Return to the Settings window. Again, on the left-hand side, click on Time and Language. This time select Language and Region. In this section, you may need to uninstall any additional languages you have installed on your computer, keeping only English. For example, if you see Danish listed, you will need to remove it. To do this, click on the three horizontal dots next to the language and select Remove. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes. After removing the unwanted language, you can then read it. Click the Add a Language button, search for the language you wish to reinstall, and proceed with downloading and installing it onto your computer. Once the reinstallation is complete, you should find that the language icon reappears in your taskbar, allowing you to switch languages as expected. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.